Now, if the first thing out of your mouth was, wow, I need that, I don't blame you. This is the Alliance Paradigm 385 FL. Massive 5-slide, full-time living fifth wheel. They are warranted for full time. If you like what you see, like and subscribe below. It'll send you right here to BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana. Hi, welcome back. I'm DShipley here. Again, featuring the Alliance Paradigm 385 FL. Now, all I'm going to talk about is quality here. So if you got a couple minutes, please bear with me. This is the hottest thing on the market for the 2020 RV, 2021 RV, and now this year they're going to be taking the reins for the 2022 RV of the year. So notice, as simple as it is, this storage door, instead of the cheap plastic hangers, this actually has metal hangers. You don't see that very often. Also in the front cabinet here, we have a gen prep, already wired and already plumbed from your propane. You have hydraulic jacks, count them, 6 self-leveling jacks from your auto leveling system. On the other side, we have all your hookups for your water, all your directions for winterization. You also have massive pass-through heated storage. So these Alliances also come equipped with 320 watts of solar standard. You can add up to 960 watts if you wanted to. The only thing, you got to upgrade your inverter, but this already has a 2,000 watt inverter. Gorgeous LED strips underneath your massive awnings to keep the rain off of you or to keep your feet dry. Nice solid steps going up into the main coach. But another feature that I love, you have storage for days back here. Access from either side with plugs and a receptacle if you wanted to hook up your cable TV. Along the back here, we have a ladder that goes up to your one-piece, fully walkable PVC roof. And check this out. 10-foot slide with an 800-pound capacity. Now, if you wanted to throw a generator on here, dog kennels, not your dogs, can't do that. Generator, dog kennel, food, whatever you want. If you travel around and you do little flea markets with all of your little knickknacks, you can put tons of that just right here in the back of your Paradigm. It's all safely locked away. So let's go take a look at the inside. I mean, if you thought this was a wow factor, let's go in here. So immediately what you're gonna notice is the solid countertops all the way around inside the kitchen. Residential stove, residential oven. You even have lights in the sink. I mean, who does that? Alliance does that. 18 cubic foot dual purpose refrigerator that can run off of your solar, that can run off of your propane. Right over here, you have a nice little control center. Everything is clustered together for easy access. You have your generator switch, you have your solar monitor right here, and you also have everything for your slides and your lights and your 3 tank heaters. So in this Alliance, you're gonna have a fully enclosed and heated and insulated underbelly. The underbelly, the walls, and the ceiling are all gonna be residentially rated insulation with approximately 30 to 40 in the floor, 20 in the walls, roughly 30 in the ceiling as well. Up here in your humongous living room with dimmed lights, of course, for that ambiance of romance. You have dual sleeper sofas. Each one of these can be flipped up with an actual hide-a-bed underneath. So you don't have those chintzy jackknife sofas that everybody hates to deal with. You can actually make queen-size beds. Smart TV. Not all fifth wheels that are full-time living come with a smart TV. So if you have Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, you can get hooked up to this directly. You just need the satellite or Wi-Fi hookup. This Fireplace also pulls out for additional hidden storage behind it. So if you have anything of value, you can hide it in behind the fireplace, take that sticker off the front. No one's gonna think twice about where to look. Now, also featuring power recliners. So these come out really easily with just the touch of a button. As you can see, you have the best with the Kensington collection here. Nothing but the best in Alliance. Nothing but the best when you buy these campers. Let's go take a look at the rear bedroom. So back here, you have your standard Serta king size bed with receptacles and USB chargers on either side. Nice pull down blinds to block out the light when you're sleeping at night. There's also a little cubby hole in the corner there, but right across from that, you have this humongous dresser slash ward, mirrored double doors for hanging clothes in, tons of space. Again, full-time living. You want to have all your clothes with you. Socks, pants, shirts. You even got a little bit of late night entertainment in here with a flat screen TV. What else do you need? This is what else you need back here. So coming into this bathroom, it feels like a king's bathroom. Massive stand-up shower with a little seat. This is really convenient, either for an elderly person that doesn't want to stand up, or for women if they want to shave their legs. One piece epoxy poured countertop. What that means is it's not going to chip, it's not going to break, it's not going to come off your wall or get super flimsy or even delaminate like a lot of countertops do. So one piece epoxy countertop, that's the way to go with this gorgeous stainless sink. Now right back in here, I'll make some room with for my cameraman. Nice little toilet over here. You got plenty of space to sit back. The window behind you for reading your book, looking at some magazines. So again, here we are in the 2022 Alliance Paradigm 385 FL. I mean, if you guys want the absolute best that's on the market, heated underbelly, heated storage, insulated tanks, solar. One more thing, all three AC units are separately controlled. What that means is you have separate climate control in each room. They're not ducted together, which is the best option. The reason they're not ducted together is because Alliance doesn't want to cut holes through their roof truss for a racetrack style AC. What's the last thing you want in your roof? Holes, and you don't want a weak roof. So again, if you want the smartest camper on the lot, if you want the smartest camper in the RV park, or you want the best camper for traveling, this is it. The 2022 Alliance Paradigm 385 Front Living. So again, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. I'm Dave Shipley, BISH'S RV, 3928 Great Falls, Montana. Hope to see you soon.